1 habit affecting your sperm cell. If you are a man, maybe you are impotent, you experience erectile dysfunction, you are not able to perform well as a man. This reason that I am going to share in today's video might be the cause. So if you can stop this, you will always perform well as a man. So make sure that you watch this video from the beginning to the very end to know 1 habit affecting your sperm cell. But before I proceed, my name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. In case if you are new on this channel, you want to know more about men and natural ways to keep men, consider to subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload videos concerning men and natural ways to keep men. What is that 1 habit affecting your sperm cell? Remember that your sperm cell is where your sperm form before coming out when you want to ejaculate as a man. If your sperm cell is being destroyed, it will make you to be impotent. It will also make you to experience infertility as a man. So what is that 1 habit that will cause or affect your sperm cell? It is only but taking chemicals. Now, how do you take chemical? You can take chemical through junk food. You can take chemical through intake of alcohol or any drink that contains chemical. You can also take chemical through preservative food. So if you want to perform well as a man, if you really want to experience a good performance as a man, all you have to do is to avoid anything that contains chemical and depend on natural ingredients, depend on natural food. What I am saying in this video works, and if you can adopt on natural remedies, on natural ingredients, you will always perform well as a man. So avoid anything that contains chemical. If you can do this, I bet you that I am here sharing natural ways to keep men. If you can avoid anything chemical, you will always perform well as a man. There is no 2 ways about it. If you can avoid infection and avoid chemical, as a man, you will always perform well. So that is 1 habit you need to avoid if you want to have a good sperm cell and to always perform well as a man. Avoid this to be the best man you want to be. So that is it in today's video. If you get value, consider to subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. If you have questions and comments, do not hesitate to drop your comments in the comment section below. I will reply your comments as soon as possible. In fact, comment on this video. Let me know what you think, or let me know your mind in this very video. Thank you for stopping by and thank you for watching. Like and share this video to your friends and families to know best ways to keep men, natural ways to keep men. Thank you for stopping by. See you in my next video. Bye.